Now I have in here, we need to let them dry. It's gonna take, like I said, I would like to work with them overnight. I make all my flowers in one day and then I color them next time. Now in here, I'm gonna apologize for the colors on my cup because I spray them. I have a set of blue. If you notice, this is how I dried them yesterday. And then I have a set of white, and I'm gonna tell you why I have two sets. See, you have the 3 9 petals. I'm gonna get it out of the solo cup here. Okay, there's one. There's the other one. These ones that I made here are smaller than those ones because I made them 3, 4, 5 different sizes. So I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out, but I don't really want to because I have to put it back because I'm gonna show you now how I paint them. Okay, párele.
Mírame a mí ahora. Mírame a mí. Mira mi sonrisa. ¿Estás grabando?
Sí, grabando. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm getting ready to spray. I'm just preparing them. I put them in the smallest ones, I put them in a toothpick. And the other one, the center one, which is this one. Okay, got it. I put it on a cup. And then the larger one I left it there. That is gonna be your iris with the blue ones. And with the white ones, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna show you how I do the white ones too. Okay, vamos a para afuera.